Welcome campers. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Taruca USA Shower Awning. I'm going to be going over the specs, the features, everything it comes with, and why I think this is the best shower awning on the market. So let's get to it. So the first thing we'll go over is what the shower room is made out of. It's a black polyester that will easily dry if you get it wet on the outside, and on the inside, the polyester actually has a waterproof coating, so none of the water will stick to it. It'll just bead off right onto the PVC floor. But it's definitely waterproof. All the times that we have used it, we've had zero issues with taking our showers. It'll just drip dry in a few minutes, and then we could put it away so it's not out all night getting blown around in the wind. So now going inside of the shower room, we'll show all the features of the interior. It does have two mesh pockets, one on the left side and one over here on the right side. So it's more than enough storage for whatever you're needing to shower with, your body wash, your shampoo, your face wash, anything like that. And it does have an access pocket, so you can access the interior of your vehicle if you have a window down, or if you have this mounted on a bed rack, you have access to the bed, so you could always put your clothes and everything on the side rail of your bed, so you have easier access to that right behind the shower. And then right over here, it does have some Velcro in the corner to hold the shower head or the hose for the shower head. So I think that is great. So you can just have it where you could loop it in there, and then when you're needing to wash off your legs or whatnot, you could just undo the Velcro and not have to worry about, you know, your shower head falling on the ground or anything. And then going down here to the PVC floor, it does have a drain, so you don't have to worry about, you know, water pooling up inside of your shower. It does have a drain, so you can easily drain out the water during your shower and not be standing in someone else's filth from their shower previous. As you can see, the sun is setting where I'm at, and you could barely see the sun through the wall of the shower itself. So if you can't see a silhouette or the sun through the wall of this shower, no one's going to be able to see the silhouette of you showering in this thing at nighttime. You won't see it on my shower room, but on the later generations, like what you guys will get, they will come with a 12-volt LED light strip on the inside on this back plate to help light up the shower room for whatever you need at nighttime in here. Also, going along with the quality of the shower room and the build materials, this entire shower room has YKK zippers, so you should have zero zipper issues with this shower room for a long time. And installing the roof for the shower is extremely easy. You just take this tube on the one end and you install it in the channel right here up top. You just get it started. I'll do this real time for you guys. Get it started slightly in there. Just get it in there a few inches. That's what she said. And you just kind of guide it, get it slid all the way down the channel, and then you could put the roof over top and fasten it down with the Velcro to stay in place. And your shower room has a roof on it, so you have all of your privacy for whatever you want. And just like putting it on, it is extremely easy to take it off. Just undo it from the corners, grab it by the channel up here, and slide it off just like that. So it's extremely easy to install it or take it off. If you have any emergencies along the trail or need to change clothes, you could do it within a few minutes, and you won't be holding up any of the people on the trail or be a trail plug. Now that we have the roof off of it, it shows off these aluminum A-arms. They're a square tubing welded down here to a point on the end, and these things are extremely strong, you guys. I think it's a 0.4 millimeters thick, the square tubing, and they come to the end with a fully metal hinge attached to the aluminum back plate that mounts to the roof rack or bed rack. And honestly, these things are strong. We've had it through some strong wind before and have had zero issues. Both ends are like that. And yeah, we've had zero problems with them whatsoever. The only give they have is actually the mounting hardware in the back. As you could see, I'm rocking this thing back and forth, and that is actually the mounting hardware. So yeah, these arms, the struts that I'll get into, and the back plate along with the hinges are extremely strong. I think this is going to handle anything you throw at it, and it will last a long time on your vehicle. So an added feature onto these aluminum A-arms is the gas struts. These things are awesome. I mean, it does come out with some force once you are opening this, so watch your head so you don't get knocked out or hit in the face with the arm. But these things are strong. And what I like about them is they don't have the locks, so you don't accidentally forget to undo the lock while you are shutting the arm and you bend anything or break the lock itself. These things, they just go in and then they go out just like that. So they're definitely strong enough to hold back any wind that is thrown at them, and they're great. I mean, what I like about it is you don't have a weak little lock in the middle that if you accidentally forget to undo it while you're closing the arms, you bend them or break anything. I mean, with the strength of the A-arm, the aluminum square tube, and this strut, it's gonna last a long time. So moving from the square tubing arms and the struts down to the floor, this is a PVC floor that is the same thickness as the cover of the shower room itself. So you know it's gonna last a long time, even if it's on rocks, sand, you know, sticks, branches, whatever you open this shower room on, you won't have any issues with it on that terrain. And it zips on and off with zero issues, and it easily stores along with the shower room, so you don't have to keep them separate and accidentally lose it on the trail or at home or anything. So this floor is extremely beefy and thick, and you could easily take it off of the walls of the shower room in a minute or two with no problems. And one of my favorite features is the drain. Honestly, you know, not standing in a pool of water is great. And what I really like about it is you don't have to worry about mud or dirt or anything splashing up onto your feet and your legs and your ankles in the middle of a shower. So that right there makes this PVC floor 100% worth it in my opinion. And also in the middle of your shower, if you've had previous shower rooms or a room with no PVC floor, in the middle of your shower, you know, a random gust of wind blows through and catches you while you are bathing, it gets extremely cold. So having the addition of the floor blocks out the wind and blocks out the mud from pretty much undoing your shower. And what's also great about the PVC floor is it's kind of like a bathtub. It just isn't flat on the ground where water can seep out of the zippers. As you can see, it kind of rolls up on the edges to look like a bathtub style floor. So if you don't have the drain open, it'll collect the water for you, and you don't have to worry about mud getting in your zipper or anything like that. Just to show you guys how easy it is to install the PVC floor on the shower room, I'll do it in real time for you. And the first thing I will do is put the zipper towards the back of the shower room, which is facing the vehicle. That's how it goes. And in this corner is the zipper that matches the zipper that goes up the wall of it. So I usually pick up the shower room itself, kind of get this set out underneath it. And then this is where I will put the zipper. I will get it pretty well lined up and get it started. The only problem is the corners, but if you just keep an eye on the fabric from getting caught in the zipper, you should have zero issues. And also, if you are worried about that, you can always put like chapstick or any type of like wax on the zipper to help it run smoothly in the channel. So I got it around a few of the corners, got it over here, and it is on. It's that fast. I mean, it probably took me 30-45 seconds. If you fully wanted to set up the entire shower room from closed to fully set up with the roof and the floor, probably take you 3 minutes at the most. Zip on the floor first, so it has a little bit of weight to hold the walls in place. Then jump on the rig, slide the tube in the channel for the roof, and you're good to go. Now that we've gone over a majority of the details with the shower room, the roof, and the PVC floor, I'll let you guys know everything it comes with. It comes with obviously the roof and the PVC floor that all of this is sitting on. They'll come nicely folded inside of the package of the shower room itself, just to show you that you can easily get it all back in there. Then it also does come with 2 different mounting options. It comes with 2 steel plates that are for like the flat style rack, roof rack, or bed rack style. And then it also comes with L brackets that I have on my roof rack. So giving you those 2 mounting options I think is awesome, just to give you, you know, versatility. So whatever rigs you go through in your overlanding passion, or, you know, however your build progresses, you have different mounting options for the Taruca USA Shower Room. It also does come with 2 different guide ropes that you can use to help hold it in place if it's extremely windy out. And then it does come with 6 tent stakes in its own bag. That these things, they're beefy. They're nice and thick. They are definitely higher quality than some tent stakes that we've had with previous shower rooms. And that is everything it comes with. And the shower room itself comes in at 22 pounds. So it's not a huge amount of weight on your roof rack, but for what you're getting, I think it is justified. All right, so now that I've gone over all the features and everything the shower room has come with, I'm gonna put this thing away in real time for you guys, just to show you how easy it is, and to show you that all of the stuff that came with it will fit inside the cover. So the first thing I do is make sure the zipper is all the way down in the corner. And then I'll grab this arm that is closest to the front of the vehicle, depending how you mount it. That will fold in first. And then I grab this arm that has the magnet on it. So that is a key to tell you that this will be the second arm. This one has the magnet on it. And this aluminum arm, or the first aluminum arm that goes in, actually has a steel plate that is riveted to it. So the magnet will stick to the plate, and then from there, take the Velcro and you secure it down just like that. Then from there, I'll grab the sides or the room itself and just start rolling it up. I'll roll this thing up. If it's 2 of you, it will go a lot quicker, but just by yourself, it's not a huge time consumer. It actually goes pretty quick. So I'll take that and I'll, just to show you guys, put the first Velcro down to show you how I roll up the roof and the floor. So I just fold in the sides and then I just roll it up just like how I did the walls of the shower, and then fold it in half. So first thing I'll do is I will hold this in place, slide this all the way to the front and tuck it in, and then put the Velcro back to help hold that and tuck it in. I'll tuck in that pocket at the same time. And then I actually do the same thing with the floor. I just tuck in the sides, roll it up just like that, fold it in half. Then I just kind of set that on top. And then, you know, once you take off the cover, usually the PVC floor just falls on the ground, which is no big deal since it's on the ground anyways. And then right here, I have the guide ropes and the tent stakes, or the stakes that'll help hold it down. I just usually set that right on top And then I keep it in mind that when I'm opening this thing, usually the PVC floor and the tent stakes will just fall onto the ground. But I will go from there. I will secure this Velcro to help hold the walls in place. Then from there, I will actually start putting the cover on it. What's great about it is you might not think that this cover will actually fully fit or cover all of this stuff, but it will. So you can see what's going on there with zero issues. And I usually stick my finger on the inside so it doesn't catch any of the fabric. And I'll bring it down here to this corner and then grab the second zipper and bring it right around just like that. And the shower room is put away. Honestly, with the baggy cover that it comes with, you can easily put all of that stuff in there and not have any issues with it. And that's what I really like about it. So, you know, usually you'd buy your Coleman tent when you're starting out, or just your tent in general, and it comes with a bag that is just the size of the tent itself. So it's practically impossible to put away the tent. But with this, the cover is actually oversized, so you can easily fit all of your roof, your floor, and your tent stakes and guidelines in there with zero issues. So I love this thing. Honestly, they should have bigger covers like this when it comes to rooftop tents, when it comes to shower rooms, everything like that. All right, I'm here on the roof of the Jeep to give you guys my final thoughts on the Taruca USA shower awning. Honestly, for the money, I think it's worth it. If you're a buy once, cry once type person and you want to buy the last shower room you will ever need, I think this is it, to be honest. With the addition of the roof, the PVC floor, the aluminum A-arms, and the gas struts, I think this thing is built for any adventure you take it on. And it's the end of August 2022, so we've had this shower room for about 4 or 5 months now, and we've had zero problems with it. Every trip we've been on, it's been along with us. We've beat the crap out of this thing. We've used it on every single trip, and we've had zero problems with it. It handles all of the abuse of all the wind, all of the tight trails that we go on, and just everything we throw on it with changing clothes, taking showers, or doing our business at camp. So honestly, I think for the cash, this thing is completely worth it. And I do have a free shipping code that does apply at certain times. If you want to use it, it is 2A Overland. So if you guys want to use it, get free shipping on the shower room. It will save you a pretty penny on this thing. So I met the two guys that are running Taruca USA, and they are extremely awesome. We met them at Overland Expo West, talked for a while about the shower room and their 180 and 270 awnings, and those things are monsters. So if you do have any suggestions on to make this shower room any better, even though I think it's the best on the market, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I can let them know. If we have any cool suggestions to make this thing even better, maybe they'll apply it to future generations for us. And also comment down below if you'd be interested in picking one up to be your end-all be-all shower room. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good one. Bye, you guys. All right, now to get off the roof of this Jeep without killing myself. Okay. All right, let's go down this way. Ugh.